Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to JumpTask. First, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and set up with your desired account. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official JumpTask website. Having both platforms ready will ensure a smooth and quick connection process. This initial preparation saves time and prevents common setup issues. Once you are on the JumpTask website, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Clicking this button will open a pop-up or redirect you to a page displaying different wallet choices. From these options, simply choose MetaMask. This action will prompt your MetaMask extension to open, ready for the next step. After selecting MetaMask, a pop-up window from your MetaMask extension will appear, requesting your authorization to connect to JumpTask. It is crucial to review the details presented in this pop-up, ensuring you are connecting to the correct site. Once you are satisfied, click Connect or Approve within MetaMask. This action securely links your wallet to the JumpTask platform, allowing you to begin earning. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, first try refreshing your browser page or clearing your browser's cache. Also, double-check that your MetaMask wallet is unlocked and that you are on the correct network, typically the Binance Smart Chain for JumpTask. For more details and other great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the link in the description below. Enjoy your earning journey with JumpTask.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.